Myself Devna Dave. In previous video, we learned about the project brief of architect practice and management. In today's video, we are going to learn about structure of an architect office. So, here there are some reference of an architect offices. In architect office, there are basic three steps for office structure. First is structure your firm. In this, you have to plan your structure. You have to clear about your positions and your employees. Second is set your standard. So, you plan your standard and also have to maintain it. Third is review. Your office review play the main and important role to structure your offices. So mainly these three steps are very important to structure your firm. Here it is a office structure according to person. So main person of your office is a head architect. With head architect, there are four persons who work under him. First is the construction manager. The second is the senior project manager. The third is senior architect and fourth is head engineer. So with senior project manager, there are two persons who works under it, the project manager and the interns. Same way with senior architect, there are mainly three persons who works under him. First is junior architect, second is intern and third is draftsman. As well as with head engineer, there are also three persons who work under him. First is senior engineer, then junior engineer and the interns. Now there are three types of office plan: the open office plan, enclosed office plan and the landscape office plan. First we discuss about open plan. So a large room with have a different and multiple partitions and sections you can see in this image are called a open plan. So in this we have a eye to eye connection with each and everyone. So this is the advantages of this office plan. Same way it is also have a disadvantage of this office that we can't do any confidential work in this type of office plan. Second is enclosed plan. In this type of office plan where there is a individual space or individual cabinets for each and every person or employees. So in this office plan we can maintain the privacy of every person that you can see in this image. And the third is landscape office plan. Landscape office plan is very similar to open plan, but it has a different features, different landscape elements. For example, in these images you can see that the carpet, the green carpet, the landscape wall, the internal plantation. So these kind of landscape elements are used in plan is called a landscape plan. So it is very good in aesthetic. So your office looks very beautiful interiorly. So in this video we studied about the structure of an architect office. So the more topics we will learn about my upcoming videos. Thank you.